In a natural disaster, you might not have time to prepare a backpack stocked with food and provisions, so a bugout bag acts as an emergency kit filled with survival gear and other essential items to help you through a sudden and dangerous event. The life-saving gear packed away into a bugout bag delivers enough food, water, medicine, and other life essentials for a 72-hour trek to a safe location in unpredictable conditions. Also, the best bugout bags have plenty of space for shelf-safe foodstuffs, water, an advanced first aid kit, fire starters, shelter equipment, and navigation gear. It features plenty of pouches, pockets, and cavities for all your gear and are rugged enough to withstand abrasions, poor weather conditions, and any other abuse life can throw at them. However, there are a lot of backpacks in the market, and picking the best bugout bag from all the varieties available can be a challenge. For this reason, we have listed 5 best bugout bags to help you decide.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The 5.11 Tactical Rush 72 Bugout Bag is a high-strength and water-repellent survival backpack that can get you through any survival scenario. This MOLLE-compatible backpack is ready for any situation with 3342 cubic inches of storage space and 30 different storage compartments and pockets. It is constructed with tough, water-resistant 1050 denier nylon, 1000 denier and multicam variants for long-term durability and all-weather performance. The main compartments features dual zippers, and the entire back uses self-healing YKK zipper hardware with glove-friendly tabs for quick, easy access to critical gear and provisions. The dual-density closed-cell foam padding in the shoulder straps and hip belt wings make for a more comfortable pack, while the sternum helps keep things stable and secure. However, the additional shove-it compartments allows you to simply secure your Gore-Tex jacket to the outside for fast access in unexpected weather. Finally, the 5.11 Tactical Rush 72 military backpack is impressive and quite simply one of the finest bags you can buy. Also, it comes with a lot of pockets and storage options, and it is built for a long-term and a rugged use. The Condor 3-Day Assault Pack is one of the larger backpacks, and it is a fantastic option if you're assembling a 2-person survival kit because of all the space. It features a generous main compartment with 2 mesh pockets and compression straps to secure the contents. With large front and back pockets, side pockets, and hydration bladder compartment, this backpack delivers 7 organization spaces, including external MOLLE webbing for all your gear. This tactical bugout bag has body contour shoulder straps and extra thick padding to ensure the weight doesn't dig in. With additional tearing equipment attachment, a sternum strap, and a removable waist belt, you can tailor your fit and comfort. Also, the back panel is foam padded and has deep grooves for maximum airflow. All of these comfortable features are designed to help you carry the large load cargo capacity of this bugout bag. The main compartment of this bag adds quick-release gear retention straps that help stop gear from moving around while you are on the go. So, exterior web straps ensure this bag is also MOLLE compatible. With a full 50 liters of storage space, you can even pack 2 or 3 liter hydration bladders inside. For all the gear, this bag also adds a heavy-duty carry and drag handle so that you can simply lift and maneuver your MOLLE bag. However, all the space makes this bag amazing for 72 hours or more on the go. The 5.11 Rush 24 is a highly rated tactical backpack and also one of the best bugout bags available in the market. This is a huge backpack with 2275 cubic inch or 37 liter total capacity. For reinforcement, the entire backpack is made of a durable 1050D nylon that is water repellent and resistant to damage. And the nylon is strong enough to hold all your gear and ensure this military bugout bag never rips. It is built with self-repairing YKK zippers because they self-lubricate the more you use them. For your comfort, there is a reinforced grab-and-go handle located at the top of the bag for when you need to move quickly. For longer treks, the shoulder straps are adjustable and padded so that you can stay comfortable all day. The sternum straps are also added to help balance the weight and secure your MOLLE bag. Additional features include a 60-ounce hydration pocket, zipper fleece-lined eyewear pocket, side water bottle pocket, and the ability to include flag patches. Moreover, the MOLLE webbing is super useful to modify the bag to suit you. Also, it has plenty of webbing to create more storage. Overall, the Rush 24 is a multi-purpose pack, but its tactical design makes it superb for carrying a survival kit. G.P.S Tactical Range Backpack is certainly a wonderful tactical performance range backpack. This tactical range backpack is built with an attractive quality of material. It is made with 100% high denier nylon with DuPont Teflon treatment with YKK zippers. And YKK zippers is super durable. Its heavy-duty construction does an excellent job to take as much as whatever you can throw at it. It is triple stitched to accommodate the weight this pack will see. On one of the side pockets, there are 3 separate removable, zippable pistol pouches. Also, it comes with handles to slide them in and out of the bag. Each pouch accommodates 1 pistol and 4 magazines. It has a padded divider so that your items will not get messed up. Another great feature is the front pocket, which unzips to drop flat to deliver a working surface at the range. The important functions of the bag are well thought out for all the gear to take the range. Additionally, G.P.S packs have a unique labeling system called the Visual ID Storage System. Plus, MOLLE webbing is extremely well done for add-ons like first aid kit, water bottle holder, wallet, or your keys, so it performs well especially in rainy seasons. There's also a hidden built-in rain cover in the small zipper on the back of the backpack to keep rain off the bag. Even this G.P.S Tactical Range Backpack is the best-selling range backpack, and for good reason. The Mystery Ranch 2-Day Assault Bag is strong and is exceptionally designed to withstand the effects of the outdoors. That is why hikers, campers, and other outdoor explorers prefer this bag for their journeys. This 2-Day Assault Pack is a smaller civilian version of their hugely successful military-grade 3DAP. It comes with all the excellent features of the 3DAP. This backpack comes with adjustable shoulder straps to fit most body types. This bag is still uniquely comfortable to carry when fully loaded. It is generous with space. Its tube shape allows you more capacity at 27 liter than you would get with a comparable box-shaped backpack of the same size. The side pockets are big and designed to carry large water bottles. On the upside, this backpack features compression straps to keep the contents compact to reduce the size of the load. The most defining feature of this pack is the signature 3-zip opening that provides you convenient access to the main compartment. Inside it are 2 internal mesh pockets, 2 pouches, and a padded hydration, a laptop compartment with external side access. Moreover, this bag comes with MOLLE webbing on the front and is very discreet to help you blend in. All in all, it is an exceptional backpack in regards to design and function. So if you're looking for the best bugout bag, then this Mystery Ranch 2-Day Assault Pack will be the best choice for you.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.